Hi guys, it's your girl Rose. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be performing a subgroup meta-analysis with RStudio. So let me show you the datasets we'll be using today. So we have a dataset with column author, there, the total patient, and the drug type. So the subgroup will be according to the drug. So we are performing a subgroup analysis of the death caused by each drug. So now we'll be using RStudio. Let us import our data sets. So let me use this. I'm using a CSV file. I'm importing a CSV file. So let's search for our data set. So let's go to desktop, my project 2. So project 2. So we can import this after the preview has been loaded. So import. This is beautiful. So there's the data there, and we can also use another method. So let me use my data equals to read.csv tab file.choose comma header equals to true. So if we run this code now, can you see that's another method? So I'll be using this my data, so you can use any of it anyway. So now, let us load our meta library dot meta. So let's load our library for meta-analysis. I've started loading it. So the first to do is perform the meta-analysis. So the data set consists of a column for the event and a column for the total number of patients. So we are going to use a meta proportion command. So now let's go for, let me say, my meta analysis. Let me use MA equals to meta proportion. So the event comes first, and that is death. So death comma total patients. You have to take note of the letters. So the data equals to, I'm using my data. So if I want to use the order, which is data underscore, can you see? You can pick that too. So let me use my data. So study lab equals to paste. Let's check the data. Auto, yeah. So paste auto. What next? We are performing a subgroup analysis, so we must use the command by variable. So by variable was the name of our subgroup column, that's drug. So by variable equals to drug. So what next? So let's use SM equals to PRAW. So let's run this code and object total patient not found. So I didn't put S here, so beautiful. So now if we want to perform forest plot for this, so you go forest tab, our meta-analysis object is MA. So let's run this. Beautiful. So can you see the subgroup analysis now? Drug 1, under drug 1 we have this, and under drug 2 we have this. So because I didn't specify either to use the common effect model or random effect model, the forest plots came out using both common and random. So now let's assume we are using random. So let me go and specify that we are using random here. So under the meta proportion, let's use random equals to true. So let's check again. Still let me check. Still came out random equals to true. Then common equals to false. So let's try this. So if you're specifying random equals to true, you must also specify that the common model should be false. You can see why even after specifying the random method should be used, the last time it still used both common and random model. So now, so you will notice that on this forest plot, the subgroup label, they are kind of not bold and not in black color. So you can change that to so that it will be very visible. So now to edit the subgroup label, so let's check under packages here. So forest plots, under meta, go to forest plots. So you see so many of the commands to use here. So let's go to forest plots, forest here. So we can use any subgroup. Can you see color dot subgroup? You can use red, color dot label. So anything subgroup, this is where you're going to now look at this, label dot subgroup dot common dot random. So this is where you get to edit everything, even to change the size. So let me just make sure I change the label. Color dot subgroup. Okay, so color, I'm looking for the one for subgroup, sorry. So color dot subgroup, let me check if it's this. So color dot subgroup equals to, let me use red for now. So let's see how it goes. Wow, beautiful. Can you see this? So if I'd used black, it's going to come out black. So that's just it. You can change the color for the name of the studies, all that. So that's how it is, and this is the end of our subgroup meta-analysis with RStudio. Please subscribe, like, comment on this video. Please subscribe, turn on your notification. Many tutorials will be coming up on this channel, and you can only get notified if you subscribe and turn on the notification button. Soon I'll be dropping a network meta-analysis tutorial very soon. I know you guys are looking forward to seeing the tutorial. Thank you so much for enjoying my tutorials. Please subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. See you guys.